Hey Julie and Finamize, did you wake up with a kink in your neck? Can you not look over your shoulder very well? I have a quick and easy drill that can help you be able to look over your shoulder and not feel so much strain in your neck. Let's get right to it. What you're going to do is you're going to start with looking over your shoulder to the right, look over your shoulder to the left, look down to the floor, and then look up to the sky. So all we're going to do is we're going to just test our range of motion that we have in all directions. Cool? And then we're going to see if this little hack can work for you. So all you're going to do is I want you to put one hand on top of the other. So the first question I always get with this one is, Julie, does it matter which hand I have on top? Nope, it doesn't. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this together. I want you to squeeze and push your hands together as hard as you can. Just going to check my time there. So I'm going to do this for about 20 seconds. You can do this for longer, but make sure you're squeezing your shoulder blades together and like squeeze your shoulder blades back, like if your back is against the wall, and you're pushing your hands. These two hands are pushing hard together. Push, 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 push. I'm just going to peek over at my time. Again, we're squeezing, we're squeezing, we're squeezing. You can do this for about 20 to 30 seconds. Okay, so we're going to see if this works for you. I don't know. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. Okay, that's about 25 seconds. Cool. Now let's retest it. Ah, much better. Yep. I can look. Oh yeah, much better. I'm like, woo! I'm ready to rock and roll. That feels good on my neck. Did that work for you? Hopefully it did. Aging doesn't have to be painful, and that's why I'm here to provide videos for you to show you that these little hacks can help you move and groove and live pain-free. I'm Julie from Finamize, optimizing you one movement at a time.